On this week's episode of Gear Time at Home, Quarantine Edition, we have another computer repair. This time to a computer that's a little bit nicer than the one we worked on last week. So this is a 2010 MacBook Pro tower, and I think the hardest part of this repair, because it's not really a repair, we're just adding a hard drive to it, but hopefully it was going to be getting up on the table. This is one heavy computer. So on this there's a lever, and then that allows you to pop off the side super easily. Here is the hard drive that we're going to add in, and all the hard drive bays are right here, and we can just pop this out, and there's some captive screws in it that we can use to install this hard drive. And the one annoying thing about this is that these screws do not appear to line up even a little bit. Interesting. I guess we're gonna cut. Okay, we're back, and it's been almost a week, but I found the part that we needed. This is from OWC. It is a new bracket to hold the new hard drive, and I learned that in 2015, they actually changed the mounting hole pattern around these. So any hard drives made after 2015 will have this hole pattern where the four are a little bit more spaced out, and the older ones have the closer spacing. It's not something I ever noticed before because I haven't tried to put a hard drive into a 2010 Air Mac Pro in a while. But now that we have this bracket, it was relatively inexpensive, about $25. We can get this screwed in and plugged in, and it should go a lot smoother. I know, like I said, it was gonna take me 5 minutes to do this, and it's taken me a full week, but here we go. Just gotta tighten all four of these screws down. And then this literally just slides right in, and it makes both connections for both the power and data. It's as easy as that. We'll go ahead and pop the side case back on, and we're done. Now when we power on the Mac, I'm not going to do this on camera, when we power it on, we'll have to open up Disk Utility and format the new drive. And for hard drives, you should still stick with Mac OS 10 extended, journaled, whatever that is. Don't use APFS. APFS is the new file system, but it is optimized for SSDs. So if you're using an SSD, absolutely, you should be using APFS. But if you're sticking with a spinning hard disk, then you want to go with the Mac OS 10 journaled, extended, whatever it is, HFS Plus. So that's all there is to it. Pretty easy upgrade, at least once you have the right parts.